Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will teach you about the chmod command, which is used to give permission, grant permission for a certain file or center users. If I see the main page, short main page of chmod command, it says change file mode bits and change permission for a file. So the chmod command is used to change the permissions for a specific file. So what this means? So here I have a directory from the previous tutorial, and here the root has read and write in all those permissions to this file, and here are the permission for this. So here you might see the some random characters R, W, X, and D and dash. So I will discuss this in this tutorial. So the tag D mean this is a directory, and if I create another file, so let's see what is there. This is going to write this tag right here at the first. So let's say let's use echo, and let's say hello, and write this to hello dot log file. And if I type ls tag la, and here as you can see hello dot log file has just a tag, or we can say dash. So what this mean? This mean this is a normal file, and tag d mean this is a directory. And now if we have a link, this we will see the here l. So let's do that. We can create link using ln command, and we will create link of hello.log, and let's do it in the current directory. So let's say hi.log. If I can do this, and here we go, we have hi.log, but it is the same link, it is a hard link. So let's remove that, it does not make any sense. So let's take LA. So if we have link, it will show L here. So tag D mean directory, and tag mean it is normal file. And then we have three types of permissions. So the first group is for the owner, which is root in this case, and the second is for the group, which is in the group only the user is in the group, and the second is for others. So these are the three combination of permissions for this specific file or directories. In this case it is a directory, and in this case it is a file. So these are the three types of permissions: owner, and then group, and then others users. So third party user we can say. So let's say how we can grant permissions and give permissions for a specific file or directory. So here I am currently logging as Tauseed Zaman to this system. As you can see, I created this file, and the owner of this, it shows Tauseed Zaman. So I'm not root. So if I try to change or give some permissions to this, what is going to happen? And if I give permission to this, what is going to happen? So let's add some permissions to this. And now here I forgot to set the tag R mean write reading permissions, tag W mean writing permissions, and tag R mean tag X. Here you can see tag X mean executable permissions. So these are the three types of permissions, and these permissions can be written and symbols as well. So if you might have seen 777, which means read, write, and execute. So here in the slide, as you can see here, I have these in numbers. So take 0 mean in numbers. We can as I said, we can set permissions using numbers, and we can set permissions using those words W, R, and X. So in the numbers, these are from 0 to 7, and 0 mean no permissions, 1 mean can execute, and 2 mean can write to this file, 3 mean write and execute, 4 mean read, and 5 mean read and execute, and 6 mean read and write, and 7 mean read, write, and execute. So if you see somewhere x chmod 777 some file, then this means this file can be executed and updated and read by the specific user. So that is that. Now let's try to change some permissions and this. So let's use the chmod command, and let's say I want to add executable permissions to this file. So for that, all I need is to add permissions, you can use plus less x, and to remove permission you can use minus x. So this file don't have any executable permission, so let's add that. And if I type chmod plus x, and in the hello.log file, if I can type the name hello.log, and if I now see this, as you can see, the owner has executable permission, the group has executable permission, and the other people also has executable permissions to this file. So let's ground this permission from this. So for that, as I said, we can use -x. So if I use chmod and -x and then hello.log, so this will grant executable permission from this hello.log file. As you can see, the x is now removed from here, as you can see. So that is that. Now let's remove formation, some other formation. As you can see, the owner has read and write, and the group also has read and write. So let's remove some of them. I will clear the screen. So as I said, let's just add executable permission to the owner, which is the user. So for that, we can do that using chmod, and then for the user you can use u. For all you can use a, and for others you can use o. So these are the three types of permissions here: user or owner, and then group, and then uh, o. And this for others, and for all you can use a. So that is then. Now let's add permissions to the user executable permissions. So u and plus x, and then hello.log file. And if I use ls tag la, as you can see, h as now executable permission is added to the user or the owner of this hello.log file. Now this means this user can execute this file. So now let's add that to the others as well. So for that, all you need is to pass o instead of u. So this will add executable permissions to other users. If I ls tag la, as you can see, x is now added right here. And let's add the same thing for the group. So here I will type g, and if I type ls tag la, as you can see, x is added to the group as well. So now let's remove this. So to remove from all of them, you can use a. So let's use the previous command, and I want to remove executable permission from all of them. So I will use a and -x. So this will remove this permission from all of them. As you can see, the permission is now removed. So now let's use the the numbers to add permission. So for that, I can type chmod and 777. This means user has permission to read, write, and all the stuffs, group and others. So hello.log, and if I type ls tag la, as you can see, the read and write permissions was already there with the group and the owner or user, and now everyone has read, write, and executable permissions to this hello.log file, and this means it is not normal file. So these are the uh, commands, chmod commands. You can grant permission, you can give permissions, you can do some permission stuffs with this command to a specific file. So now the main use of this is whenever you are installing something from the internet, you need to give them executable permissions. So otherwise you can't install that. So this is very useful in that case. So let's say you have a file and the file don't have executable permissions, so you can't what should I say, you can't install that until you give them executable permissions. So for that, in the descriptions you might see something like you need to type chmod and +x or 777, something like that in the description of that file. Whenever you are installing something in the Linux based system, you might need that. So that is the chmod command. And as always, for more information regarding this is too much thing to explore in the command line. So if you want to explore more in depth, go ahead and check out the main page of chmod, and these are a lot of information, and they are supporting some links to other stuff. So go ahead and check this out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.